Look at you, broken, battered, left behind like nothing. The world did a number on you, didn't it? The people you trusted, the ones who promised to have your back, they chewed you up, spat you out, and didn't even look back. But you know what? They're watching now. Yeah, they are. They're waiting for you to crumble, to stay down. They're hoping you don't get back up because the thought of you rising, oh, that terrifies them. See, they tried to kill the fire in you. They saw your potential, your strength, and it scared them. So, they tried to bury you. But here's the thing, they didn't know you were a seed. You're not buried. You're planted, and when you grow, you're going to be something they can't even fathom. That fire inside you, it's still there, smoldering, waiting to ignite. They wanted you to believe you were broken, but you're not. You're rebuilding. You're coming back stronger, harder to break. Every scar you carry, that's proof you survived. Those are your trophies, reminders that you've already been through hell and made it out alive. And now, you're becoming something uncheckable. You know how bone heals stronger after it's broken. That's your heart, your spirit, right now. And God, He's not done with you yet. Oh no, He's setting the stage for something bigger. You've heard the saying, He'll rebuild you in front of those who tried to break you. That's not just a phrase, that's a promise. He's turning your pain into power, your losses into lessons, and your setbacks into a setup for the comeback of a lifetime. They thought they won because you hit rock bottom. They probably celebrated, didn't they? But what they didn't realize is that your comeback will be the thing of legends. You're not just surviving, you're thriving. You're building something stronger, something they can't destroy. Let's be real, most people stay broken. They let the world crush them, and they never rise again. But not you. You're different. You've got that fire, that hunger, that refusal to quit. That's what makes you dangerous. That's what makes you unstoppable. So, let them watch. Let them choke on their regret when they see you rise, stronger than ever. They thought they could bury you, but all they did was give you the foundation to grow into something greater. This isn't just survival. This is evolution. You're about to become untouchable, unstoppable, a force they can't reckon with. Every scar, every tear, every bruise, it's all fuel for the empire you're about to build. They tried to break you because they saw in you what they'll never be, something real, something powerful, something unbreakable. But here you are, proving them wrong. Proving yourself right. This is just the beginning. God's not patching you up. He's remaking you, piece by piece, into something indestructible. When you rise, and you will, they'll see a version of you they don't even recognize. You're not coming back the same. You're coming back as something greater, something they can't touch, something that will haunt them every day of their lives. So rise, thrive, become everything they were too scared to let you be.